Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the glowing text effect in CapCut for PC. So for instance, I'm going to select the black screen to the track and I'm going to add text. Just click text and select the bold text. Just for the duration with some length. So you can change for the text, for example. And you can resize, change for the font style, then can change for the color like so. Right, select the clips and right click, create component clip, and you can go to effects, select um, light, and you can find the angel effect, add the track and adjust for its strength. And here we go, this is the final effect you have on your text. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe.